Let's clean the 23,000 mile Honda Civic. It's first clean. I'm absolutely covered in snow foam. Not a good idea in the wind, guys. So that is why you have a dirty water bucket, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel, and under this hood, my name is Amber. I'll put the hood back up because it's like 4 degrees today, and I've decided yet again on another cold day to film a car cleaning video. Yay! Just want to say a massive thank you to all the views on my recent upload. Click on the card above. I filmed and drove, finally, about time, my parents' modified bar 595 competition. Did tell a little porcupine, well, I didn't realise I was telling a porcupine at the time of filming, which was back last year. The car hasn't got 200 horsepower. It's actually got 220, so it did feel faster than 200 horsepower. This is a video I was in two minds about filming, but it's about time. I've got some free time finally, and I've decided to film today's video as I'm going to be cleaning my Museum Minter, as I always call her, my 23,000 mile Honda Civic. Is getting its first clean by moi. The gate's creaking. So I'm trying to get around to filming 2 Honda videos today. That's for the gate's open on its own. So yeah, I'm trying to get around to filming 2 Honda videos today. So before I do the hopefully next Honda video, I thought I'd clean the Honda so the car is then clean for said second Honda video. So I wasn't going to bother about snow foam in the Honda because the paintwork, as you've seen in the previous Honda video, click on the card above, the paintwork needs a whole correction anyway, but I thought because the car is pretty dirty, because it has been used by myself and been driven, I thought I'd go ahead and snow foam it anyway and do my usual routine. Let's show you how dirty the car is, let's show you my setup, and let's clean the 23,000 mile Honda Civic. It's first clean. Still going with the 2 bucket wash method as per always, or normal. Got me brushing there just to get in around the Honda badges and stuff. They're a bit green and dirty. Got plain clean water in here, and we've got my TJ's car care shampoo in that bucket. I mean, I've only put I've used this twice now, and it's still, this bottle's gonna last a lifetime. Well, not literally, but a long time. Check out TJ's car care, they're supporting me, so show them some support back. I'll open the gate that has a mind of its own. Trusty old Nilfisk jet wash. I have tried Karcher, I hate Karcher, I prefer Nilfisk. We're going to put the snow foam gun on the end of this in a minute and obviously snow foam the Civic. Let's show you the condition of the Civic, and here she be. So obviously she doesn't have alloy wheels, it's just hubcaps, so I can probably just get away with snow foaming them and then just washing them with a wash mitt to clean the hubcaps up. It's mainly, so you can see the hubcaps are a bit grimy, all the dirt along the bottom there. It's not too bad, to be fair. Just got some, don't know if you can see, just some mud flaps need a bit of a clean. Going right onto the rear, again not really too bad, but she does need a clean. Bit of green stuff there, a couple of cobwebs. Again, look at all in this arch, don't know if you can see that, all mud along the bottoms as well. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Right, equipment, gear, liquids, chemicals all ready to go. I've got the GoPro as well, so I'm going to film most of the action on the GoPro Hero action camera to film that action. So let's start with, first of all, I'm going to snow foam the dry Civic, leave it on for a few minutes, jet wash it off, and go in with the hand shampoo. It's windy! Absolutely covered in snow foam. Not a good idea in the wind, guys. Not a good idea. Would not advise snow foaming a car in the wind, because not only is your bath covered, I am also covered. So we've got nice thick foam going on here. This snow foam isn't the best, but snow foam just looks cool even if it doesn't work that great when it's on. So I've just got a little bucket, clean water in obviously, Just gonna work my way around. Ugh. Love using the brushes. Getting those door rubbers there as well. Oh, so satisfying. Don't actually know how much you can see them. Oh yeah. Steering here as well, I suppose. These badges. Oh, steer around the lights. Let's just get carried away with this thing. Let's just use this brush everywhere, I think I've decided. Lovely jubbly. So many badges on this car. Right, I'm going to carry on using this, you don't need to see all this. Shampoo time, guys. It's cold, it's cold. So that is why you have a dirty water bucket, guys. Although I was being completely 100% OCD with this car, I was like 98%. The dirty water bucket has lived up to its name. Gross. So here she is, guys. So we did a snow foam, jet washed that off, shampooed the car, jet washed it off, did the wheels with a bit of soap on the mitt because the hubcaps, it's nice and easy for once. The bath behind got a bit of a snow foam as well, but oh my god, it was so windy snow foaming out here. I got absolutely covered from head to toe as well, so no bath needed for me tonight. So like I said, this car is due, well, I don't know when, but it's in need of a paint correction one day, proper cut and polish and all that sort of malarkey. But yeah, she wasn't, oh, she looks brilliant, guys. Sorry, but just gonna say she wasn't that dirty, but she was. But I think filming wise, that will do. So all in all, that was the Honda Civic, 23,000 mile Honda Civic. Love putting that in because it is so true and so unique and such a rare car to find in that sort of condition. That was the Honda Civic's first wash in my ownership. I'm ashamed to say I've had the car since October. It is now February, but the car doesn't get used a hell of a lot, so it wasn't that dirty, but it was dirty and in needing of a wash. I didn't do it 100% like I said, but just wanted to wash the car so I could probably do another video of the Honda after filming this one. So just thought I'd get the camera out and film it. So there we go. I hope you got the gist of what and how I cleaned the Honda. So, and let me know that you've enjoyed this video by giving the video a like. Please do subscribe and make sure that bell is well and truly rung so you're notified every time a video does go off my automotive YouTube channel. Share with all your car friends, Honda friends, bar friends. Just get the word out there. Driven 24/7 is the name, and making YouTube videos is the game. It's not a game, it's just my hobby. And check out driven247.co.uk for beanie hats, which I would have put on today but I didn't want to get it dirty. For beanie hats, stickers, t-shirts, new products coming soon. Ooh, what are they going to be? Let's build some hype. Follow all my socials at the end of the video. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.